To add and activate Add School Routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass lock icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap adaptive routine and then select Add School. Tap place, select pick a place. To quickly find the place, type the place name in the search bar. Select the place and then tap down button to save the change. Tap Save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. Next, go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. From now, when you arrive to the selected place, your phone will automatically enable Add School routine. When this routine is active, your phone will set the sound mode to vibrate and display the selected ads in the lock screen shortcut. Also, this routine will be disabled automatically when you leave the place. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.